Come back, where did it?
King man.
Man, look springy higher.
No, you want to see a LG, you know. Because you see them quick movements. A LG, man, you know. You know, you start with them on them toes.
That's right.
So I go on, King man.
Yeah, you know, it's a joy.
Yeah, man.
Look like the forward still have your thing, you know.
Ah. So I go on, yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on. King man.
Yeah.
And this not too much higher.
No! I think it was worth every dime.
Respect, brother, respect. So, it work out?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But numbers. But another. At the millennium, brother. All this, we don't could do a wire transfer and you need the exercise that back.
I want to tell you something, King man. It's from my incident there. I'm going to brush the 3 years. I don't really stay on the grid too tough. Because you don't know the thing, but you see, based on what me I do.
Yeah.
It can't too easy for access me, you know what I mean? So,
True.
I just make sure so I can't. I don't do the bank account thing. I do certain things where.
Yeah.
And, you know, I do my online work,
Yeah.
but me not online, if you understand what I say. You know what I mean? So,
Cyber ghost.
yeah, man, so a couple of things me do cause, like me, I plan up with some of the things that I forward, you know. I'm not going to look at farm, you know. See, I don't make people know which part it was. I'm prepared for it. I'm prepared for the worst, brother.
Yeah, man. Man, I hate, man. Cause watch this style. If you can't feed yourself as a nation, we in a trouble. Right? Right, as I sit there, I look on the thing and I say, boy, I want to get this place here, weed up and plow up so I can start putting something for the rainy season. You see?
King man, it's a nice piece of space you have around here, so you know.
Yeah, man.
Do the right thing, because of that me I do. One thing me keep my ears listening to, you know, brother. See, international news, when me hear say all of them rich man, they buy up the whole heap of land all over the place. And I buy out the farm of them. I know say something up, brother. And the man them a build some underground bunker and them thing they like. Them a leave we up here so for suffer, but you know say the fittest of the fittest shall survive. So my meds, every time I get a piece of food, I make sure someone put it towards the farm, you know what I mean? That's the thing, the man.
Real talk.
King man,
Yeah.
some errands now running now. So I'm not too carry like a soldier already.
That's it, man. You're done, man. I know, man.
Make sure say everything stay blessing on me, man.
Every
Wait
time.
up on a different.
Every time.
Do. What on there? What going on over school?
Church. It's a whole nother story here. Me I have to go sit down and hold a drink for reason out that one me, but it kinda go over now still.
Me da talk to the young general, you know. And
Yeah.
show me say it kind of go still and I go over there with the youth and talk.
Yeah man. I'm glad the man did that because telling the truth, my foot did kinda get knocked. I couldn't reach them in the time, even though I leave for reach them, me have to divert because I never want to put ones on ones at in danger and in arms way. You
I
see?
rate that. Let me tell you what I rate. I rate say you have a little squad where you can train mentally to do the right thing when you not do it. King man. I don't know.
Man.
We always have to pay the right number.
It's all in the numbers.
Yes, sir. You got yourself. You know.
Alright. Man, I see them tell her.
Up for it.
Up
Black
for it.
Johnny.
Till it's chock full. Yeah. Work out.
I got another year. Carlton, give me a minute. I'm coming.